My fall harvest salad is a fresh, easy, and delicious way to enjoy the flavors of the season. What takes this salad to another level is the roasted sweet potatoes, and I'm excited to show you how easy it is to roast them with a hint of cinnamon and garlic in either your air fryer or your oven. They are toasted on the outside and soft on the inside, which adds a delicious sweet and savory flavor to this salad. Then we'll make a simple apple vinaigrette dressing and assemble our salad with leafy greens, crisp apples, quinoa, feta cheese, pomegranate seeds, and pecans. This has taken a lot of practice so I don't launch them all out of the bowl. It's also very satisfying. I'm a little embarrassed to admit how long it took me to realize how easy it is to make your own salad dressings. There's no going back. Well, that looks gorgeous, and I am dying to dig in. That is delicious. That is a fall apple harvest all in one bite. A link to the full recipe and the video is in the comments and on my website, gentletummy.com.